Hey guys, this is my Verde Eon 2011 bike check. Just got some new parts today, so I'll show you. Let's start from the front. Right, I've got stock dual grips. Cut the flange off on both of them. Yep. Quite uncomfortable. They wear down easy. I don't really like the grips, but oh well. Stock brake lever and monolever. Stock linear brake cable. 7.8 inch rise bars stock. I've just got today Odyssey Gold Classics front load stem. Nice detail here, and don't know if you can see, but on the top as well. Right, Verde Eon sticker, as you can see that. Stock forks and gold front rim, gold spokes, stock multi-surface front tyre, and then black female front hub. And I've just realised when I put my stem on, I put my forks on back to front.